course, the need for highly detailed construction drawings, floor plans, section views, cutaway drawings, isometric views is also something very important, even when we're talking about BIM. And here you can see the different ways of being able to visualize our construction documentation, which is, of course, something which is left to the creativity and the visual requirements of each architect. So you also have the possibility to customize the way we produce our drawings. We can also view, for instance, the material layers that were, of course, included in the library. So if we activate the checkbox, we can also see inside of our drawings the materials which are composing each and every wall or slab.
Ir šita programinė įranga duoda labai plačią galimybę dirbti ir privesti architektūrinės dalies brėžinius prie norimos grafinės dalies. Ir čia yra kaip pavyzdys, kaip tai gali atrodyti.
Yeah, so you can start to see some of the characteristics here included in our drawings. Let me just quickly activate a cutaway drawing. You can see in 3D we've run a section plane across the first floor. You can see the different material layers represented with their symbols.
Čia rodo, kaip atrodo tos sienos ir kaip skirtingos medžiagos pateikiamos trimatėje erdvėje su savo atvaizdavimo taisyklėmis.
At this point, we have full control of each material layer, which we can also adjust, edit. We can also set a different inner or outer face. So we want the outer side of the wall here to be with insulation panels.
Ir pilnai šito sukonstruotos kompozitinės sienos struktūros galima keisti į florinius sluoksnius, nustatant apdailos parametrus, tokie kaip numatyti architektūriniai idėjai.
And now let me just quickly show you, because we have full control, we are also making decisions regarding the project. You'll also be able to see that the intersection here between this reinforced concrete wall and the partition wall composed of the different material layers has a wrong intersection. Okay, so we want to also be able to edit the way these two elements compenetrate each other.
Ir dabar, kadangi šituo konkrečiu atveju neteisingas parodytas gelžbetonio ir kompozitinės mūrinės sienos susikirtimas, pademonstruos, kaip turėtų būti išspręstas šitas struktūrinis neatitikimas.
So in fact, if we go into the editor, this is also another interesting functionality. The editor allows me to therefore quickly launch the element editor, which allows me therefore to set a priority when two elements come into contact. Okay, so we can decide which elements can penetrate into another element. Okay, as you can see in this.
Ir nustatant parametrus ir pirmenybinės taisyklės galima nustatyti, koks susijungimas tarp skirtingų kompozitinių elementų bus.
This also applies when we're looking at the building, let's say from a vertical split view. We can also see the internal objects, the internal arrangements for the floor plans. And here, let me just quickly show you how these views are generated by simply inserting the floor plan object in one of the levels. So we do all of the modeling in the levels, and once we have created the different floor plans or section views, we see them appearing at the bottom under drawing models. Okay.
Ir sumodeliavus aukštų erdvėse pačius aukštus, paskui patys brėžiniai atvaizduojami prie brėžinių skirsnio.
And here's an example of what we can achieve. This is just the basis because we can therefore leverage the many different options that we have here in this particular set of drawings here. You can also see how the interface adapts again, providing me with 2D detailing, the possibility also to adopt different styles, so we can choose among the different default styles, or we can create our own. We can set them as default, or we can copy paste styles from one drawing to another. Here we have a more detailed view where we can also see the opening angles of our doors and windows.
Brėžinių skirsnėje galima nustatyti vaizdavimo taisyklės, vaizdavimo stilius, galima tuos stilius ir vaizdavimo taisyklės perkelti nuo vienų brėžinių ant kitų brėžinių ir nustatyti, kad vaizdavimo stilius atitiktų brėžinių tikslą.
We also have the possibility to use, for instance, the measuring up of individual areas by simply clicking inside the different rooms. Take a quick look here. As we click inside a room, the software automatically inserts all of the measurements. Okay?
Ir yra tokių patogių įrankių, kaip matuoti kambarius ir išdėstyti kambarių matmenis tiesiog paspaudus porą mygtukų.
Or we can choose the dimension all function, which will automatically insert all of the measurements for the entire floor plan. Okay? We can do the same.
Arba galima paprašyti, kad visus uždėtų matmenis.
Now, in terms of a CAD user, this would typically have taken 50 different operations. In this case, we're doing it at a single click. And of course, we have the possibility to move the measurements around or delete any unnecessary measurements too.
Jeigu lyginant su AutoCAD, su dvimačiu projektavimu, tai tas visas matmenų sudėliojimas jis jau užtruktų daug ilgiau negu naudojant šitos pakankamai gudrius įrankius.